Traditionally, cleaning your pool includes hours of backbreaking labor or paying someone hundreds of dollars per month to come out and do the work for you. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the AquaSense 2 Pro by this video's sponsor, Beatbot. This is the industry-leading 5-in-1 robotic pool cleaner that cleans every aspect of your pool, giving you more time to actually enjoy your pool this spring. Last year, I got to check out both the AquaSense Pro and the iSkim Ultra. Both of these helped me to maintain my pool throughout the pool season, so I can't wait to get my hands on this AquaSense 2 Pro and see how this has improved. Let's go ahead and get started. The unboxing experience here was pretty basic. It had everything we needed, including the AquaSense 2 Pro robot, the wireless charging base, a retrieval hook, and the water clarifying kit. Getting this set up and ready to go was a breeze. You can use the buttons on top of the machine to power it up and select the cleaning mode, but within the application, you've got many more options. To get this connected, all I had to do was grab the application, sign into my account, and then this walks you through the process of getting this connected. Once connected, you're gonna get information like battery life on the robot, the pool water temperature, and you can select various modes. You can even customize the cleaning mode. There's options for parking this, and you can control the robot through the application when this is surface cleaning, which we'll talk about a little later. Traditional robots are clunky and difficult to set up with cords and hoses. Most of the time, they're only going to clean the pool's floor and do it in an inefficient crisscross pattern. Once your pool robot is finished cleaning, then you still have all the leaves and surface area to clean up with an old school net system. And then if you want to clean the pool walls and water line, you've got to get out the scrub brush and clean there. The best part about the AquaSense 2 Pro is that it does everything for you. So this is truly a 5-in-1 system that cleans not only the floor, but also the walls, the water line, the surface of the water, and it even includes water clarification. When you place the AquaSense 2 Pro in the pool, it does a surface scan of the entire pool, then it sinks to the bottom of the pool, does another scan of the entire pool, getting its map and layout, and then it goes to work. It takes a lap around the entire pool, continuing to collect information as it does this, and then it begins its S-pattern cleaning. You get a super efficient cleaning on the floor of your pool. It's not missing any spots because it's doing that S-pattern shape. This includes a powerful 9-motor system, bringing up to 5,500 gallons per hour of suction power. This is able to get all the debris, even sand and smaller debris, from the pool floor, wall, and water line, and of course the water surface. Because we are wrapping up the winter months and there are tons of trees around this pool, the pool was full of leaves, and this did an incredible job of picking up almost every single leaf off the bottom of the pool. Once this is finished cleaning up the pool floor, it turns its attention to the pool walls, where it uses an in-shape pattern, making sure once again to efficiently clean your entire wall and the water line without missing any spots. This machine is equipped with 22 sensors, so not only is it able to optimize a full coverage path for cleaning your pool floor and walls, it also makes this machine fully adaptable to any shape or size of pool. With the continuous cleaning, this is less likely to get stuck in tricky areas like the pool ladder or the drainage system or even the pool stairs. I definitely noticed that when this was cleaning the wall and water line, it did a great job of going around the pool light and going around the pool ladder without getting stuck. As you can see on my pool, surrounded by all these trees, there are just tons of leaves that were floating on the pool surface. As soon as this finished with the walls and water line, it did turn its attention to the pool surface, once again taking a lap around the pool, collecting information, while it was also cleaning up the leaves around the edges, and then it turned to its S-pattern cleaning. This was able to quickly and efficiently clean the pool surface. There were definitely some stray leaves that fell in while this was cleaning, so I was able to jump on the application and control the robot to go and get those straggler leaves that were out there left behind. Another thing that I really love about the AquaSense 2 Pro is that it does have water surface parking. So when it's finished cleaning, it's able to float to the surface, eject all the water from the system, and then just park right there at the surface. It does this when it's finished cleaning, when the battery runs low, or you can tell it to do this from within the application if it is cleaning the surface. The fact that it automatically removes the water from the machine means that you're not having to struggle with a very heavy piece of equipment. You're able to very easily lift this up and take it out of the pool. Other than being able to control the robot with the controller and make it self-park, was the ability to pause the cleaning. So while this was cleaning on the surface, it did fill up the basket, and I was able to take the basket out and empty that. While this is cleaning your pool, it's also utilizing that water clarification system to clarify the water. This is able to automatically and evenly dispense clarifier, which is derived from recycled crab shells. The solution is ready to use. All you have to do is insert it into the machine. You don't have to worry about mixing or diluting the solution. It's all ready to go. This is able to clear the water 4 times faster than traditional water clarifiers and is eco-friendly and safe. It only took about 4 hours for the AquaSense 2 Pro to fully clean my pool, but you can get up to 11 hours of surface cleaning out of a full charge, or up to 5 hours of floor cleaning out of a full charge. Once this is finished cleaning your pool, this is super easy to clean up. Just remove the dual layer filter from the machine, dump out the leaves and other debris. You can take the 2 filters apart and then just rinse out all the sand and fine debris that's been caught by that ultrafine mesh filtration system. From there, you just drop this into the safe and convenient fully wireless charging dock, and within 4.5 hours, this is fully charged. As you can see here from the before and after on this pool, the Beatbot AquaSense 2 Pro definitely worked wonders on this pool. For me, I love being able to just turn this on, throw it in the pool, and let it do its thing, knowing that it's going to take care of every aspect of the pool cleaning without me having to break my back to get the pool nice and clean. This just allows me and my family to enjoy the pool quicker and for longer. We're not having to wait for a technician to come out and clean the pool. We're not having to wait for an inefficient robot to clean the pool. This is able to clean the pool thoroughly and quickly. If you're looking for an ultra smart pool robot that's able to clean your entire pool, then the Beatbot AquaSense 2 Pro is definitely a great option. I'll be sure to include links in the description where you can find out more information about the AquaSense 2 Pro and where you can purchase one for yourself. That about wraps it up for this video. Thanks guys for watching. Be blessed. I'll see you in the next one.